3 days. That was the agreement.
3 days, I promise.
Bring me a dinosaur from far away.
I'll call every day.
Every day?
Every single day, I promise. Situation in the region is worsening.
Dad, please. Please be safe. Come on. Pick up, David. Please pick up.
Mom, it's past 7.
I know, Day.
The person you are calling is unavailable.
Mom, what if something happened to him?
We don't know that yet.
But what if...
We wait until we know something, then we act.
Good morning, team!
Is today pancake day? Every day is pancake day for Leo. Dad, what's your job called again?
I'm a news reporter, Anna. A reporter? What does a reporter do? I go where news is happening. I watch, I listen, I tell the story.
So the world can know? I want to be a reporter.
You do?
I'll report on snacks. And dinosaurs.
Your bag is packed. Camera?
You always know before I do.
Someone has to.
Do you go to dangerous places, Dad?
Sometimes.
Aren't you scared?
Yes, I get scared sometimes.
Then why do you go?
Because someone must tell the story. Reporters need 2 things, courage and words. All the words you can find.
Breaking news. Leo Chen reporting there are 0 pancakes left. This is a big problem. Someone call Dad.
Leo, there are still pancakes.
My sources say otherwise.
His sources.
This is my reporter notebook, Anna.
It's very small.
Small notebooks go everywhere. Here, keep it safe for me.
Me? Really?
You're the most careful person I know.
I'll keep it. I promise. I'll keep it very safe.
3 days. That was the agreement.
3 days, I promise.
Bring me a dinosaur from far away.
I'll call every day.
Every day?
Every single day, I promise.
He'll bring a T-Rex. I asked clearly. You asked for a dinosaur, Leanna.
Right. Who wants to help me bake today?
I might write in the notebook instead. His notebook? Report assignment. When does Dad call?
This evening, sweetheart.
This evening is so far away.
Hey team, I made it!
Dad, did you bring the dinosaur?
I just arrived, Leo.
Are you being careful, Dad?
The most careful reporter in the world.
Good. I'm keeping your notebook safe.
Breakfast, Anna. Eggs today.
Has Dad called yet?
It's 7 in the morning, sweetheart. Have a good day. I'll pick you up at 3.
Will Dad call tonight?
He said he would. He always does. Come on, David. Just one message. Anything.
Situation in the region is worsening.
Mom, why did you turn it off?
It was too loud. How was school?
Fine. Dad, why aren't you calling? It's okay. You're probably busy. You're fine. You said you promised. Mom, I'm starving. What's for dinner?
Noodles. Leo, wash your hands.
I washed them yesterday. Mom, it's past 7.
I know, Day.
The person you are calling is unavailable.
The signal is probably poor.
Can I have more noodles?
Yes, love. Anna, eat. He'll call tomorrow, sweetheart.
What if the signal is still...
Then we wait. That's our job right now. Mr. Park, I'm sorry to call so late. David didn't check in today. I'm worried. What does that mean?
It means we're working on it. Please stay calm.
Brave. Dad said brave. Reporters need brave. I can be brave too. Did Mr. Park call back? Not yet. Sit down. I'll make eggs.
I'm not very hungry. Anna, you need to eat.
Is Dad okay?
I don't know yet.
Did Dad call? Not yet. Oh, okay.
Mr. Park, please, anything, any update at all.
We're still working on it, Mrs. Chen. Stay available.
No school today. We're staying home.
Are we sick?
We're waiting, Leo.
Mom, what if something happened to him?
We don't know that yet.
But what if...
We wait until we know something, then we act.
Message. You understand me?
Lunch, sandwiches.
Mom, I'll help.
Then wash your hands, sweetheart.
Leo Chen reporting. Today's situation, sandwiches incoming. The family waits. It is very hard work.
I'm keeping Dad's job warm for him.
I can see that.
Mom,
I'm okay.
I know.
Mr. Park, it's been over 2 days now.
We have someone trying to reach him now.
Someone? Who? Where?
A colleague of his, Sam, is near his location. She'll try to reach him and make contact.
Okay, thank you.
Can we watch a movie? Leo, not now. Yes, Leo, put a movie on.
What does Sam look like?
I don't know. I've never met her.
Is she brave? She's a reporter like Dad. So yes, very brave.
Good.
That's good.
Mom, is Dad coming home today?
Not today, sweetheart. Soon.
Promise?
I can't promise today, but I am working on it.
Okay.
Wake me up when he calls.
Anna, why don't you try to sleep too?
I want to wait with you. You don't have to.
Tell me about the word assignment. It means a job given to you.
Dad's assignment is telling the story. Mom, what if Sam can't find him?
She'll find him.
How do you know?
Because your dad always finds a way. He has a story to come home to, and that's the most powerful thing there is. Come on. Come on. Pick up, David. Please pick up. I'm going to make tea. Stay here.
Okay, I'll watch the phone. It's okay. Brave. Be brave. Dad said brave in words. Hello? This is the Chen family.
Hello? Is this the Chen family? My name is Sam.
I work with David. I have a message.
I understand. I'm Anna, David's daughter.
Anna, I need you to write something down. Can you do that for me?
Yes, I have a notebook.
David is safe. He's moving right now.
Safe. Okay, moving.
He's heading to a small town.
The town is called Mira. Am I?
Mira. I'm Mira, eh?
That's exactly right.
He'll call you in about 2 hours.
2 hours. Okay, I'm writing it. What else? Is there more?
One more thing. He said to tell you he loves you all very much.
We love him too.
Very much.
You did great, Anna. Really great.
Please stay safe too, Sam.
I will. Good night. Anna? Mom, I wrote everything down.
What?
Sam called. She called the house phone.
Yes, you were talking to Mr. Park.
And you answered and wrote it. Anna, you understood everything?
I asked her to spell the town name. Mira.
Mr. Park, he's safe. He's in Mira, M-I-R-A. A colleague named Sam made contact. He'll call in 2 hours.
Matches what we're hearing, thank God.
Come here. I'm so proud of you. So incredibly proud.
I was scared,
I know.
but I did it anyway. Why are you hugging? Good news, babe. So Dad calls in 2 hours? 1 hour and 52 minutes now. That's still too many minutes. It really is.
Can I count to 100? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, David. 1 hour. You have 1 hour.
Coco means good news.
That's not a rule.
It is now. I'm a reporter.
Mom, can I ask you something?
Did I do it right? The message? You did it perfectly. Sam gave us the location. Mr. Park confirmed it. Because of you.
Because of the words.
Yes, because of the words.
Dad said words are everything.
I'm going to tell Dad everything. I did a news report. I kept the family calm. I ate all the pancakes. That was good energy.
Leo, you slept on the floor.
That was guard duty, Anna.
Sure it was.
5 minutes.
5!
Stop shouting, Leo.
60. Leo, you can't count backwards fast enough.
Watch me.
Dad, I have your notebook. I wrote your message in it. From Sam. Are you actually okay?
I'm actually okay, I promise.
Come home, David.
I'll be home tomorrow. Morning flight. Nothing Friday.
Good night, Dad. I'll keep your notebook safe.
Keep it. It's yours now.
Bed, everyone, now.
Bed, Leo Chen, right now. Lie down. You need to sleep.
I wasn't sure I could understand her.
But you did.
I wasn't sure my English was good enough.
But it was. Anna, English gave you your father tonight.
Words travel everywhere.
Yes, they really do.
It is early. I am awake. I told Dad I would be. I am. Now I wait.
He said morning flight.
Morning can mean many things.
It means now, Anna. What if his flight is late?
Then we wait more.
But we're good at waiting now.
He's here!
Hey, team. Show me the notebook.
Here, I wrote everything.
Anna, that was... You said brave in words.
So I used both.
Dad, I also have a report.
Let me see it.
It says, Dad, come home. I filed it officially.
This is the best report I've ever read. I'm keeping this forever.
I know. It's very good work.
Dad,
The reporting?
yes, it's so dangerous.
Because some people can't speak for themselves. They need someone to tell their story.
So the world knows?
That's why your English matters, Anna.
Words are how we reach each other.
Even when we're very far apart.
What did you feel when you answered that phone?
Very scared.
And what did you do with the scared?
I use the words anyway.
That's all being brave is. Using your words when you're scared.
I thought brave meant not scared.
That's the point. Brave means scared and doing it anyway.
Okay, I think I understand now. Dad!
Yes, Leo?
I also did a very brave thing.
First, I reported on the pancake situation. Pancakes, yes.
Critical. Best homecoming ever.
I planned it perfectly. Sure you did, Leo. Did you like our story? Please like and subscribe!
And tell me, what would you do to help your family?
What is it, Dad?
Nothing, sweetheart. Eat your pancakes.